pay tribute to the most wonderful snow village which I've just seen behind. I goodness knows how long it took the elves to make, but I'm sure it wasn't just done overnight. But just a quick look, looking at it a wee bit more in a few more minutes, but it looks absolutely fantastic. Christmas is a very special time for me, and I do hope it is the same for you also. For me, it's about family, it's about joy, it's also time to reflect, and it's also a time to look forward. We sometimes forget what Christmas is all about, but it's about a miraculous or supernatural birth of an extraordinary baby called Jesus, who was born in Bethlehem, what we call Palestine today, over 2,000 years ago. Born in a stable, in the most modest of circumstances, Jesus grew up and came to save the world from our sins. He once said, "I am the light of the world." And that is why we switch on Christmas lights, and to remember him and what he ultimately did when he grew up, so that our sins could be washed away for those who believe in him. Christmas is for all, not just people in Europe, not just people in America, but it's for everyone globally, especially those people here in India. I'm very much, as you just mentioned, I did a posting in Kolkata about 15 years ago. And I remember on Christmas, I could not believe how excited many Indians of many faiths look forward to Christmas. And it's exactly the same here today here in Chennai. I've been speaking to some of your colleagues this morning, and the last 2 years, Christmas has been a bit of a damp squib, hasn't it, with the pandemic. So it is absolutely fantastic that we've now moved on from there and we can celebrate Christmas like we always used to do. So I absolutely look forward to hearing about what is happening in the mall, etc. So I wish you the very best for that. In the UK, we have a number of Christmas traditions, and one of them is receiving an Advent calendar. You may be wondering why I am carrying this envelope. Now, this is an Advent calendar, and on the first day of Advent, and Advent means the coming of Christmas, the countdown of Christmas. And as a child, my sister and I received an Advent calendar from our parents, and it is numbered 1 to 25. And every day, and today is the 1st of December, we open up the day of the month. So, and behind the door, there is something special. There's something like a little, it can be, sometimes it can be a chocolate, it can be a picture of Christmas, it can be a biblical verse sometimes, it can be anything. And so I thought today I would bring this calendar along and maybe get somebody to open day number 1, so we can commence the Advent here in Chennai. I'm just wondering, are there any